Eliab mama picture, carry Eliab brothers and sisters with their children, go give that girl when they call Sharon, when they camp, whether na Netherlands or Bina, which I've forgotten the country where the girl day. You can't go write the picture R.I.P. She wrote on that Eliab mother R.I.P. And Eliab mother, they are alive. First of all, it's against Facebook policy. And it is an abomination in Agbo land where me come from. We they forbidden for our place. Carry person when be say they alive. Person mama, you when be small picking. Carry the picture, go put for your platform, write RIP, they blog them. You not fear, man to not do you anyhow, because say you not get, I'm not sure say that Sharon get family. I'm not sure say that Sharon get family, because if she get family, if she get mother, she will not do such. She will not do church. Now this girl go, wait to Sharon, may I ask you one question? No. All Mabel family, they are all against her. Not only you will not be Mabel family, you don't know what happen. Mabel just call you and say, do a single video, because I know Mabel now waiting don't fair they do me before. Do it single video. I will share it for you. Don't to talk many. Mabel go tell you waiting you go talk. Sharon, now you can't carry. You can't say you want really go. Now you can't really come out. RIP. Which kind mama be you can't they insult Eliab mother? Who give you the guts? Who give you the audacity to talk to that woman? That woman supposed to be the most piteous person when everybody supposed to pity. Because picking when he send abroad, his own child, see waiting woman do and finish. After I do and finish, the woman return and back to Nigeria. You not pity that woman. You not get mercy for that woman. You not feel call that woman. You carry the woman picture. Carry hand right and RIP. Now you see how you take end. This one are just introduction of Sharon. Different juju. Now in one land for your head. And this one, me, I not go agree. May Eliab accept on an apology. If I agree, may Eliab accept on an apology, my bend. I not go agree. Waiting on a do Eliab. Me, nkakbacha pwe Kenya, ezume kayo nwenya. Ona never know anything. Ona no, never call me, people. Never call me, okay? You guys, you never call now. May I first talk with you? I want to talk. I will give room for call. Mommy, my mommy is here, guys. Who they rake? Who they check him? Who they check him? Abi ogun wu me be. Ogun wu me be. I don't feel cause Sharon because that one is already caused. And the way they happy, I don't even feel sleep. I be no one come live today. Even many of my fans don't call me. I say I no come live today. But this kind one, I don't feel keep him again now. I don't feel keep him again. I say, Eliab, sweetheart, you need to post them once and for all. Let them see him. This is a very big lesson. Share this video. If you never share. Give me thumbs up. Not carry this gist. Give me thumbs up. Send star to this video. Elume. Elu onyeko kwa. Sharon mi no buru elu mebe kwa ma. Ika kwa kpenya, ika kwa gwenwenyi, ika kwa ya po azinezi. Sharon, you no pity yourself. Say na 2 children where you get, where you dey camp. 2 children you get, where you dey camp. They manage your life for one room. Sharon, you carry Eliab mama. You forget say Eliab de Nigeria. Say no only fuel na him go buy. Matter go settle. You forget say Eliab de Nigeria. You carry Eliab mama picture. Since when me they talk for my platform, waiting I they talk something that is the real thing that I'm saying, the truth that I've been saying. Have you ever seen me posting Eliab Mabel family member? You don't ever see me where I post Mabel family member. You don't ever see where I wish Mabel RIP for my post. You don't ever see him. I post Mabel RIP because Mabel don't tell you say, wait, oh, where I want to put this my phone. I need to put my phone somewhere. Make a mona not look down. Don't although I dey okay, Shana na pyjama wear complete pyjama. I want sit down where I want sit down where. If you get any nonsense when you want talk, they write down for my ear. They write down for the comment section. Now me be madam take nonsense. Eh? What's want to mene? What's want to mele? Or so Jacodeme? What's want to mene? Or so Jacodeme? Sharon, you don't carry shame and disgrace now. You see how your life they end. Mebekia now, Ide house so. Now your name they call for the juju place so. Call people when they hear Yoruba, make they interpret the Yoruba for you. They say inside the juju, waiting and waiting they swear put. They say Sharon carry Eliab mother picture. Say if not true, say Eliab mama. Now true say it don't buy as Sharon carry the picture put for there. Now real good information. Say now Eliab mama now it really cause problem between Eliab and Mebekia. They say the juju it not go buy you. They say but if waiting you can't tell them for your platform with Eliab mama when you write ROI put say na lie you can't lie to them. Sharon, you see that fowl where they hold, they say as the fowl take by, say na so you go take by. Real video is coming out. May you watch them the way when you go take by. No pastor, no native doctor go feel remove that juju from your head. Because you know why? You go lie. He say you not lie. Native doctor, pastor for fee remover. But as he be say, yeah, you carry your hand, carry firewood when we bring smoke for you, nothing go fee remove that juju. You want do where you kayegi parent konke meye won. You make boy yenya. Mebekia when be say it dey inside the matter. Mebekia not carry head come out. You know this as Mebekia share your video. He don't delete them for her platform because he knows that now fake information, fake rumor. Facebook is against it. Now, Sharon, you can't say now you be agamebu. Now you be ishokpo. Now you be ishodo. Egala wishi fiangba. 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 Sharon, you get it? You got to go. When I dey tell on, I say, as I dey here, I dey mind my business. As I dey come here, they talk of Mebekia. Now, waiting happen, now I dey talk of Mebekia. Mebekia carry my picture. If I dey lie, say Mebekia no they call me, say, saga this person, saga this person, saga this person. May Mebekia tell me. If not be send me a Vera picture, may Mebekia carry this thing. If you not send me, blessing in jaw, if you not send me blessing in jaw link, if you not send me this person, what is that they call her? Root 2 space, I not even saga how. If you not bring another chamber of truth. A lot of them. Only the woman cause only go follow her. He go to follow her, both her children. You know why he go follow her children? Because he go carry innocent children. He can't still put them inside. He can't still carry innocent children. He go put them inside. Woto, mommy, good evening, my cute mama. Me beg go enter house. Thank you, Amarachi. Thank you. We are winning, guys. Everybody type congratulations to me. I know they enter battle. Make I come back with shame. No. We forbid it. And your so enter battle. Any battle when I follow you join, they do them like this. Forget. I tell Eliab, say forget. You not get shaking. You not get problem. You not get problem. You don't reach the land where they for born you. Now where they for born you. Now your own country, now you dey. Nothing they shelling. No worry, don't cry again. You will smile very soon. Eliab suffer sit down your own jejeje o. Onu saya kwanle o. Still sit down o. You don't give pikin gbasgbo, say may you not cry, yo. The pikin still there, oh no. Una go fish in mama picture come out. Sharon, you go fish. Now you see after they don't put that for your head now. Now your head now they don't put that. Mebekia, they come make I share the juju for you, Mebekia. If you see as the way when Sharon just do that video finish, Mebekia just share and come give me for WhatsApp. He share and come give me for WhatsApp, say, Afana, how market. Mebekia, Juju don't enter Sharon house because you na Yelala meat. You na Ogun meat. You na Udele meat. Sharon don't know how many Juju they work for your house. How many Juju don't enter your life. He don't know. Now you can't look innocent Sharon finish. Now you can't say innocent Sharon may can't follow you carry juju. Now Sharon can't really run come and say may carry the juju. Sharon wait though. You know if you ask yourself question say since when this matter starts, how many people when you see say they sit down they block for Mabel? How many people when you see say they sit down for ground can't they talk for Mabel? How many people they Mabel side? To reach in own Mabel family, nobody they support Mabel. Sharon wait to waiting kiye around waiting you they chop they sleep. Or when they say we're not are you serious? Are you did that they say nothing they happen, nothing waiting I hate most for my life. For somebody they tell me say you not fit do anything, nothing they happen, you not fit do anything. That word I don't like it. I hate threats in my life. See Sharon when no reach one, say me the Sharon. If you check her now, that girl if he not get mama, if he not get papa, if he be say none of a family member they support her. As that Sharon be, if he be say he not get family at all. Now you come out they say nothing they happen, nothing they happen. Go ask Agbo people. Wata nga maka. Nwata nga maka. Mebekia when they do right from time. Mebekia tell you say they use ordinary hand they waka, but now all Mebekia juju na don't fail, all Mebekia charm it don't fail. No charm. See, God, I know they swear. But if I'm telling you something, take my word, 100% take them. Mebekia. How far? Juju don't enter Sharon house. So which day Sharon start to the fight for Mebekia now? Which day Sharon start to the come? Get. If you want to call, the line is open. Call now. The line is open. The line is open. Maybe don't play smart on Sharon. Chai. Sharon, you go say Eka people. No be go area. Sharon ask where of Egbake people. Sharon will learn in a hard way. Hallelujah, amen. Messiah, my savior. The power overcome the power of God. Our mighty savior, depend on one panda wherever the power need. We shall follow you to the end. Let's move on. Move on to Eliab's side. Let's move on. Hey, move on to Osifo side. Let's move on. Hey, move on to Eliab's side. Let's move on. Move on to Osifo side. Let's. I know say tonight many people not go like me. Mebekia, fly come. Bring it on. When you send me message that day, what I tell you? I said, bring it on, baby. Bring it on, baby. When Mebekia come, even yesterday, she called me. She called me. Okay? Hello? Hello? I should put it on speaker? I greet you, bros. Thank you, sir. Okay, let me put it on loudspeaker. I'm coming. This my phone. Sometimes you not go there accept my face. I don't understand you. iPhone WAHALA.
I'm very, very glad to see this thing.
Thank you.
This is just the best step. Yeah, this is just the best step Osifo
the best step Osifo have done. Osifo my man.
Yes.
Osifo my
This is
own.
the best step.
Osifo came.
As ugly as this Sharon is, even with filter.
Guys, can you hear?
See the kind of children which she gets, all of them very hard. See kind of children, very hard like this. That is what the juju need. They need those kind of hard bones, maybe chop up. Something you don't know waiting, you don't know A from B because they give you 20 euro. Because they share your page.
They share your page.
Man.
Since when Mabel they share the page, I never see followers increase for her. Now 2,200 followers. Now she gets
no followers at all. This girl carry person mother. We no be your boyfriend. We no do you nothing because of somebody. We no go put ROIP. The girl needs to die. The girl not gonna be my place. I
beg go na Facebook I do mind your words.
Sorry. This girl need to buy. This man
no worry. The juju when they don't go put for her head, not be said they use vaccination put the juju. Now waiting video when she make. Now they carry. Okay, you understand the Yoruba. Me no even understand the Yoruba. Or not go interpret for me. I trust my Yoruba people. Where I big girl? I be baby.
If waiting this animal they talk is correct, then make this thing stand for her. But if it no be, with this she talk, if it's very easy, if anything linking to that, make that thing speak against her and her children.
The main video is coming. The main video still there inside fridge. Inside deep freezer, see they do.
They use white chicken, white cock. They use white cock and they use schnapps. This person will not find you.
He said they use shinap. Mommy, you they hear? They said they push shinap.
They don't find you. You just carry 20 euro, give you. Maybe that's under condemnation already. You can't insult this innocent guy. They call carrying family picture.
Can you imagine?
They say this one is a thief. This one is a thief. They didn't know you before. If this guy say she did Nigeria, if I don't
leave him. No, as it happen like that, waiting happen. So as earlier they do him, just stay okay like that. Make she just there alive, they stretch like this. She go they stretch like this. Convict go the whole land. Convict go the whole land. The worst part be say Oyibo now go the carry and they go hospital.
Person we not do you nothing. You don't even know the person before. Because they say make you can't follow. They see the kind of problem maybe if this girl is abnormal, if maybe a family can come out to fight her, she know that there's something wrong with Mabel. She now carry herself.
Sha baby, come on live video. Can't tell us say nothing they happen. Now Juju not fit do anything. Can't tell us say Juju. We see and make her tell you no go try egg back that they fly for afternoon. You know, make I tell you. Number 1, Egbake. Number 2, Idumesa. You see what that they call Idumesa. If you just hear them pick leg run, they're good, they're nice, but not find their trouble. You got the one that they call Owa. Owanya. Igbim. Owa. Wawagbunya. You get that one where they call which one be that one self? How who go remind me that one again? Oh, that one still big. You get the one where they call a kukwagbo. Wagbo. Irotago. No go find Agbo trouble. You see, we won't be Agbo, we dey there our lane. We know they find trouble. But if you find us, we know they agree make you go. Not be saying a joke. If you find Agbo person trouble, you will not agree. See, and we go they draw you. Itika. Wa dobe poa. Watwa. You yourself go dey beg say you don't tire, they not go hear. Sharon go spend past the 20 euro when Mabel give her. Mabel don't use her change head. This comment sweet me. This comment sweet me. This comment sweet me. Maybe don't use Sharon change head. No, on artist say maybe not get sense. Since when maybe they talk and say in an intelligent buhaha, you think say maybe not get sense. My yori, see my sweetheart, you know the ask of me again. Me and you don't separate. We're not there again. You know the ask of me again. Eh? Just imagine, oh, little rabbit, little puppy, little rabbit just come out. He said, na Eliab mama. You not even face Eliab. Now if na Eliab you dey insult, na Eliab you dey talk. No problem. No problem. He's taking. Na Eliab carry himself come out for social media. Eliab mother, that woman when they mourn Mebekia, say he carry pikin come back to Nigeria. That woman when be say he borrow money, send for Eliab to come back to Nigeria. That woman when be say he dey cry for him pikin when he send abroad, go make good living. You not pity that woman. You not pity wetin Mebekia do that woman. You carry that woman picture. Hand let you, Sharon. That hand, you see that hand where you take write that RIP. Put for that picture. Now so we go take, when I so we go take the right RIP. And that time self not true. Your own go be true. Your own is gonna be true, eh? Your own must always be true. Everything na enjoyment. They enjoy now. Your own is going to be true. Hey, when I see that, when Mebekia send me the link, before Mebekia send that, people don't already send me the link. Trust me now. Trust me. I trust it. I trust the people when I get. Mama, look what they happen. No. Mama, look what they happen. No. I smile. I smile. That they verse. I say my people come they paro. I say Mona no worry. Mona leave the matter. Mona leave the matter. I say Baba, how one waka for this matter? How one waka? Make I tell you anything when they do for life, make your hand dey clean. So that you see, if say your hand dey clean now, as they carry this juju put for your house now, put for your family, your hand dey clean, you no go dey fear. But this one now your hand not dey clean because you pass fake information, and now wetin they take swear for you be that. Now wetin they take swear for you? They not use vaccination because they don't know you. Family that you don't know before. When Eliab and Osifo, when Osifo and Mebekia they together, you don't ever do content with them. Have you ever done content? I have done a lot of content for them when they date together and not badge on anybody. Now when they don't separate, you not call Mebekia, give them better advice. You not call me, say, make me give you Eliab number. Say you want to talk to them. You carry Eliab mama. You leave Eliab. Carry mama. That retired woman. You carry him. Put for your page. So wait till your mind they tell you that time. Say the woman not get children. I be the woman go look and we go come declare for you. If now your own mama they do that kind of thing. Sharon, make I ask you how you go feel. Only you the answer Sharon. Only you the answer blessing. Only you the answer waiting. Your picture, now you did there. Your picture and your children picture, now you did there so. Your picture and your children picture. You fit to say that will not be your real name. That will not be your real name, but now your real face did there. They don't use your picture. They don't tie them. They tie them with red cloth. Use white, they tie them. They can't use bangle, they tie them. Use rubber band, tie them. They can't carry area, but they tie them. They use the whole rope for this life. They tie your picture. They tie and finish. Carry shenap. Mommy, they say they push shenap. Mommy shenap day. They say they push shenap inside. They can't carry foul. You see that foul? Now it represents you. That foul, so now it represent you. That foul, now you be your representative. That foul, Eliab, you too much. Hi, you let me say you did Nigeria. I will just give you 10 bottles. 10 bottles. Now for your land, for your table. Now some man they do. Now because Eliab can't sit down for Mebekia lap. Now you make another jobless man. Now Eliab then Nigeria. Eliab want to bring out the man in him. Egotago, now the man in him, now Eliab want to bring out. Come tell her rubbish now. Person when be say is filled with pains of waiting woman do. The woman come they lie up and down. On I see the carry finger they type jobless man, lazy man, this one. Earlier when they find where who you want to do example. Earlier when they find who you want to do example. Yoruba juju, not be Bini juju, Sharon. Efulefu, Sharon, efulefu, Sharon, efulefu, Sharon, efulefu, Sharon, efulefu, Sharon, efulefu. Share the video. Efulefu, Sharon, efulefu. He sweet me. Eliab mama. When I still take like my mama, the woman when I even dey pity, you carry your picture, go put for social media. You carry your left finger, right arrow IP. If those your children, somebody do them like that, will you be happy? Because before you do person something, first think if you will be happy. Oh. As Mebekia tell you, say, waiting happen. When not happen, Mebekia tell you. You call Eliab, ask her, maybe say you call her, may not answer you. That is number one question. 2, did you seek for information from other people? That is another one. 3, when Mebekia family come they give am gbas for social media. Abi you not see Mebekia younger brother when they tell say na Mebekia na he change this one for school. Mebekia write script, he write full paper with capital letter, write everything, send and give you say the guy there America. You see come alive, can they say the guy there for in London? You know say as you take fair exam, you can't fail exam. The guy there for London. The guy even come out. He come tell say Sharon now be London I day. Now America. The guy they enjoy. He say money. Maybe if they talk a person get money with peace. Now that your brother that they mention. Ha, maybe for where you get that kind of brother, now you they zwar for Facebook. For where you get that kind of brother, now you they zwar for everywhere. Hey. Brother, when you first is supposed to take the proud. Brother, when you go they take the proud. You know here waiting answer there is day after 5. That one when get after 4 waiting answer there is day. He tell there is day when there is day go comment for a platform. He tell her say, bros, you supposed to call me there. This is family issue. Blood is thicker than water. Now I can't tell after 4. After 4 I can't tell and say, Ogun Zanzan your family. You not be good friend. Why you not tell your friend the truth? How many papa you born for? How many husband you don't buy? He can't tell me. He can't tell Vidoris. They say no be you go. I don't know whether now. I don't know the country when Vidoris they go pay brother when complete whether na 50 years birthday. Go do surprise birthday celebration for him. He say, he come tell and say, why you not ask Mebekia, say, how many times his brothers don't come her house? Why you not ask Mebekia, say, have you ever seen Mebekia brothers for Mebekia house? Have you ever seen Mebekia say he travel go see him brother? Mebekia not get family. Because why? She dey smell. Yeah, they smell. If you see big Amu Mebekia is sharing on Messenger, yes, they share them now. Say Juju is coming for them. Not be the one when you see now you talk. What about the one when you not see? My brother. Now, Sharon, the Juju now you see with your eye. What about the one when una not see? Ekere kosa akponi ihe akponi nduru egede guri male itigbim wasi nwata eri okpori ehwa Mebekia eri okpo yeri ekokwo ah sha this one sweet me oh. He tell you say now you change they look that much when do like this when you tell they talk the man they do like this Mabel, you be ungrateful human being. Mabel don't change you for Igbenedian. She not sabi talk whether she felt being bedside or whether she be all those kind epilepsy. Maybe they don't feel the worry they get before because he not sabi talk. Igbenedian, you want the best long time for Igbenedian University. You tell you for Igbenedian University, come borrow money, send you for UK. You can't go be doctor for UK. Now you be ungrateful human being. Now the brother comes say not be UK day. Now America now I dey not be UK. He can't fail exam when madam give him. Only America you not fit pronounce and you go dey fail exam. The time when I be Mabel student, have I ever failed exam? You can't go dey fail exam. Vera blog earlier, we blog the whole family, carry the whole family come out. He carry Mabel, the whole family come out. You see say Vera write RIP for anyone. You see say Vera write RIP for anyone. Eh? You not write any RIP for any picture. Now you can't carry your hands, go the write RIP for Elia mama. Woman when born citizen for America. Woman when born citizen for UK. Woman when born citizen for Europe. Woman when get citizen all over the world. You carry a picture, you dey blog am RIP. Say the children go come see and finish. The children go come say, hey, that's nice. You won't be small picking. One do neke you la nyuera. You many la nyuera. You will never suck breast finish. You come out. Because you just born 2 children at your age. When you take born 2 children, now you take go be a single mother. Say Mabel when you be say na grandmama they be single mother when you enter at her old age. Now you come they clap for you say you be single mother. May you too go they blog and RIP. You know ask and say why you not go blog this thing? Why you not go blog this thing? Many people now there against you, Sharon. As little as you are, many people now there against you. It don't reach 2 years when you open your Facebook page. Now you still get 2K followers. Now 2K followers now you still get 2K followers. If he say what you they do good, you don't know how many followers when you forget. This my loan page, not be this loan backup. Now my backup page be this. Loan page not reach 1 year when I take build them. I get 100,000 plus followers. You what I go? Since when you dey blog, I just go through your page, go through everything. As he say, don't tell you even blog Lord of Lemon, you blog Mercy CEO, you blog this guy when died that time. Nobody when you know they blog. As little as you are, you know they sit down and reason them before you go come out. This social media where they are not get single problem with anybody. Except people when Mabel say make her they give them bass that time. I don't say apologize, give them. I have apologized to them as well. The first day I called Vera, I just call her, just say, no verse for this. He just say, no problem, I call her for video. We talk. He say, no problem, my sister, no problem. Vera has a heart of gold. If you not take time, Mabel go carry you enter your early 6 feet. If person not take time, Mabel go carry and enter early 6 feet. Now truth I dey tell you. Now truth I dey tell you. Because physically go appear, spiritually not they go with empty hand. But guess what? Mabel no fit tempt my domot. Mabel no fit tempt my domot. Oru orehin pokpo. Mabel oru orehin overnight. Oru orehin. If he find me all this one when I see they do, may she come for me. Come for me direct. I know that you come for me. I carry Eliab matter, I put her for one corner. I go face you. Everything when belongs to you. You see this fake Sharon now. Anything when concern am, anything when if you get for life, it's not useful again. Because why? Juju don't enter am. So also Mabel, as Mabel be so. If Mabel buy today, in property na waste. Because na Juju day. For our place, if Juju buy person, then they carry am, they go. They not they bury am for house. Oh. Na cemetery now that they carry am, they go. Person when it be say Juju buy all the property. Now so they will see take move am. In children not they inherit anything. No. Njak bori ebene. Am I lying? Am I lying? Power pass power now. Maybe they face. Fear let them. Fear let. As I be like this for real life. Now so I be spiritually. Oh. Now so I be. I go swallow nonsense come up for your head. I go swallow you. I go swallow. No triumph. No triumph. Karma is real. Yes, mommy. Karma is real. Karma. You think say na not be okay? Maybe can't buy kubad. If not be you buy kubad, come out. Not be me they talk am. Not be me talk am. They don't. It don't tell when people they talk and say na you buy kubad. Come out. Come say not be you buy kubad. Go and swear say not be you buy kubad. Then say may you go swear. You hear where they talk and say may you go swear. Say your hand not there waiting by Mama Valerie. Go Mama Valerie grave. They not tell you say may you go Juju. Go Mama Valerie grave. May you go swear. You not agree go. They tell you say go Mama Valerie grave. Go tell and say Mama Valerie my friend. See you since when you die carry your pikin. They take care of your pikin since then. See you social media Facebook people they not agree leave me. Oh if not be help you they help you they help and so make it buy you. If not help you they help and so make it quench everything when they happen. Mebekia you not go. Mebekia when I know cannot do without camera. Mebekia if you go there you go do video for us. You go send them. You not agree go. You don't do many things. You carry papa that say you put them for jail. Now you use your mouth tell me that one no. Mebekia now you use your mouth. The one when you tell me, I go talk and say now you tell me. If I say now you tell me and not be me tell you. You see I tell you I go swear for Juju. Carry her like that. Go swear my own. If I say now you tell me something and you know say no be you tell me. Go swear. I say now you tell me say now you put Papa Dacia. Now you call police for Papa Dacia. Where they take put her for Jete. My Yori, I miss you. I been I miss you pass. This woman is not supposed to be called a mother. Why would she be? She's a disgrace to Agbo womanhood. She's a disgrace. Mebekia no go feel bold, step her feet to Igbake. Because why? She is a disgrace. Mebekia have been abandoned by her own family. Her own family abandoned her. Igbake community as a whole abandoned her. You know here when the brother talk him. And my mouth you want for here. Igbake as a whole, they abandoned her. So wait, what are you living for? What are you proud of? Justice for Onyema. Inbox me your number, dear. Justice for Onyema. Rebecca carry Onyema. He go proof for day. Onyema they pay child support to you guys here when earlier talk am. Say Onyema they pay child support. Up to today, Rebecca deprive them from seeing the children. Sharon and your co. You sure say that thing so he good. Even though they not go call Juju. Juju is already working for me, working against Mabel. How person papa go they pay child support? You know they see what they pay am for. Not only you born the pikin, now you give yourself belly when you take born that pikin. Why you on a day to when born pikin? The pikin they give you joy. The papa they pay for the joy when the pikin they give you. Not let that pikin give you papa joy. You tell and say no get papa. You buy cool bad. You tell your children say they not get papa. You carry Valerie. You tell Valerie say he not get papa. You carry Munachi. You tell Munachi say he not get papa. Me bekia wa. Me bekia wa. You too do. You too do. She said disgrace to motherhood. You too do. The whole of social media. Tell me the person won't be your friend. Why some blogger not they talk about you be say now because of Eliab? Because they don't weigh the two matter. If they enter you, they two know two of you. That is why they never blog. Now be that when they say ENOGIE be one they blog, ENOGIE be one they saga Eliab. Now because of you, now I make ENOGIE not the saga your not the saga Eliab. Now because of you, now I make Dom Prince Abina, what you call her. Now I make Dom Prince not the saga Eliab. They not be man, they not get wife. If their wife go treat them the way you treat Eliab. Their wife go treat them the way you treat earlier. You just say nah by you just see person for it. You say this person a nice person. No, you go know that person. No, they not get eye. Don't they know what is happening? Don't they know what is going on? How can only you be the mother of they born for different men they go because say Toto they scratch you. It not let you keep. You dey carry Eliab. Whether na Eliab now, we not even know because the face not show. Abi guys, when I see the face, how can you tell me that is Eliab? The face show. Okay, if not true now, say na Eliab. The best you could do to a man that have married you, na to carry in bola, they put for social media. Me beke le nye moral lige gbunya aliyin. Ele ya hu ile me. Mba, agbo people when they my platform. Am I lying? Ele ya morally gwe, ele ya ke mebeke ale meso. You come out the ta say Eliab they leak your messages, Eliab they leak am, Eliab they suck teto, Eliab they do this. Man when do ever, man when you with and don't day. Who does that? Among the whole social presenter in this whole wide world, tell me the person when get the kind character when you don't possess. Tell me the kind person when don't do what you they do. Tell me how many of them come saga their husband. They thought say upon how Korah and a husband they do basketballs rich today. Korah never can describe a husband Bola give us. You are right, dear. Thanks, mommy. Too bad. It's Sam and Sam Amo. Be that oh. Okay. No, let's be sincere. As Korah, as Moise do Korah rich. Korah never come tell us say he dey. I know Igbo man o. On know so Igbo they sabi all those things. Korah never come and they tell us how Mr. Korah they do vagaram. She never come out one day talk about it. Korah have never come out one day they describe Mr. Korah Bidi Ebola. Korah have never one day come talk about it in Ebola. Maybe your mumu not too much. Your wickedness is not too much. Tete saka, tete lika, blah lika. It they suck my message. It they suck me for that period. It they suck me for that period. Ya ite choni gweliab. Ite choni gweliab. So you know say if woman dey on her period, it no good me man near am. You can't dey give Eliab. Your period take dey leak. You want buy Eliab. Now Eliab head he no gree. You can't dey vex. Eliab head no gree. He no let you buy. Now your head you go buy. Ishi Eliab ane nigbu. Ishi Eliab ane nigbu. Mebekia. See how disgraceful human being you are. You see how you become disgrace to the whole world. You see how you become disgrace. Even your own brother, when you say now you train her for school, now you train her for abroad, you give her 10,000, take do marriage for for abroad. You do this one, you do this one. Shebi is supposed to love you. Yes, he's supposed to love you. But now, because of your impromptuitude and impromptu character, he dey saga you. He dey saga you. As he dey pain them, he dey sweet him. As he dey pain you, omo, he dey sweet him. As he dey pain you, he dey sweet you. You see, your brother dey saga you. That one went there America. Your brother, this one when you use the page, not be brother use the page, send that thing. Oh, now Mebekia get access to that his brother's page. Oh, Mebekia have access to the guy page. That was why Mebekia used the guy page to comment that nonsense, to share that link. The guy not be that guy, because the guy, he not support Mebekia. They saga Mebekia today, tomorrow. Gina, your blood sister, they are strong. This Sharon now, you not senior Gina. Oh, Gina, he get mad, she get page. She not come out, come saga you. She not come out, come talk good of you. No. Earlier, if the saga nonsense come up for your body. Lom TV, they give you back. If they back that one they back. That one they back. If they back of fat boy and anyhow. Me ye yo gwera 247. Because era ezigbera era hotuleni wene. Your brother said it. He said your mental disorder is increasing. Your mental buhaha, it increase every time. He said this one, say your mental buhaha don't pass, be careful. Your mental buhaha, you need urgent medical attention. You go smoke it, go bien finish, you will come life. Everybody look your eye. If they red, you go carry pussy cat eye. You go carry and put them. May them not they see your eye well. But upon that, we see they say they red. If you see person when don't cry, according to my mother, he say if you see person when don't cry, you go know now. If you see who don't cry, if I cry, come live video. When I go know, even though no matter how smile I try to be smiling, you go know say this person don't cry now. Maybe can come and show us your real face now. I be ogun de zwan you. I go sue Vera. I go sue this one. I go sue him. He go that day. He go carry paper. Go he former husband place that day. He dey do live video. I sue Vera. Vera not come court today. Vera, Mebekia, who are you trying to deceive? Give us paper when you take buy house. When you say you did, Mebekia, because how you take buy the house? It dey my table. The bank when you dey use, I be my post them. The gbese when you see they pay every month, the mortgage never finish. Both how much you take buy that house where you they live. So when you tell her you buy house, you buy 4 houses, elebe, munachiba, nobody they enter ram because of your bad life when you don't live for Austria. Nobody they enter munachiba. Oh. Nobody they enter munachiba. No maga don't enter that bar. Now you use your mouth tell me I be a they lie. The man when one rent him, he don't go Nigeria. To come by, not come by because he no one rent. And you dey pursue and you dey force him to rent him. Airbnb, I been waiting that they call him. Airbnb, I don't know what that they call him. Nobody don't enter him. Apart from that, your fan when they this country when they share their distance, when just come pay because you don't use. They watch whether they will come back again. If you like, they share their page 100 times a day. They not go come back again. Everybody they run from you. Everybody they are running from you. Maybe can you be shame? Only you shame and disgrace they follow you. What did you have to offer? Nothing. Good name they say is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. Not be money. Your good name, that is what matters, not your money. You get money, nobody is ready to accept your money. Is that money? Mebekia. Your Airbnb, as hotel dey for this Italy Airbnb, if you see am, people dey hip dey enter. This one go comot, this one go enter, this one go comot, this one go enter. You see that time when he dey do am, he go buy bed spread, he buy curtain, he and Eliab dey do am, he go make video, he go dey smile. For her mind, wetin her mind dey tell am be say before he go spread this thing finish, 20 people don book finish. You can say, Michelle, now you dey in charge of the Airbnb. If they just break, I dey go work, I dey go work, my Airbnb. You go there, go stay. They go buy drink, buy water, they go drink finish. They not make shishi. They will come see go house, he go cry, go house. If you reach house, you use pepper body, follow Eliab. Eliab not go fit talk. Eliab the answer, Ma, Eliab don't really see something. No, Eliab need to recover. I need to heal. If you know any good thing to do for Eliab, Bikoni, I'm begging you guys. Please, I beg you. Not look the life when Eliab don't follow me, Bekia live. Not be Eliab fault. Not be Eliab fault, not be fault. Now the way Mebekia they carry Eliab, they go where he don't know. Mebekia go they push Eliab, they go where he don't know. I use God beg God now. If any of you get any good thing to do for Eliab now Eliab need on a help. Give Eliab 1 year. Make I say 1 year. If you see Eliab for road, you not go know him again. During the time of Valerie issue, I know how Eliab suffer for that house. You know, let Eliab come and tell them, say, I not support, but the man not support at all. Eliab was passing through a lot. He was passing through a lot in that house. He no one talk, he answer mama. Maybe go carry camera face him. He go dey look him. If you talk, do what I say, may you talk, what I say, may you talk. That maybe Ogun go zanva you, not go better for you. Very anyhow human being. Say, Eliab must say, Eliab, you must talk what I ask you to talk. Now so they do Valerie. Valerie must talk what you ask her to talk. Can you treat Michelle like that? Michelle go basbolize you. For your mind now, Michelle love you. For your mind now, Dominion love you. For your mind. What in your mind they tell you? My children love me. Sharon, they come and say, your children get respect. They do. I don't do all those things when you do. I'm not surprised. I don't already do them. I don't already talk. I go and screw down. You're going to see everything. You do train children. They do get respect. The respect when maybe children get now for video, for camera. When they come up for camera, the respect don't finish. Now respect when they think they make money, now they get. My people, I said this one.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, waiting una think about this earlier and Mabel matter. Make una no fail to drop una opinion on our comment section below. God bless you all. And also, help me to like and share this video. Don't fail to like and share this video. Like and share and also subscribe to support your girl. Bye.